Jussie Smollett was back in court today trying to avoid jail time.
An appeals court panel heard arguments from his attorney on why his conviction should be tossed.
CBS 2's Tara Molina is live in our newsroom. And Tara, his lawyers are arguing double jeopardy here.
Exactly, Jim and Marie. They're arguing Smollett is being punished for the same crime twice. If the argument made in court today fails, he's facing 150 days behind bars. Jussie Smollett in court today as his legal team argued to get the former Empire actor's convictions thrown out. You probably remember Smollett claimed he was a victim of a hate crime back in 2019 in Streeterville. He was charged with 16 felonies alleging he orchestrated a fake hate crime against himself, and those charges were dropped by Cook County State's Attorney Kim Fox's office. But a judge later ruled that deal invalid, appointing a special prosecutor who filed new charges. A new indictment and trial followed, and Smollett was convicted on 5 counts of disorderly conduct.
I'm innocent!
Smollett's attorneys arguing double jeopardy in appeals court today. They say he's being punished for the same crime twice because he forfeited his $10,000 bond payment and agreed to community service when Cook County dropped his original charges. We brought the latest to our legal analyst, Irv Miller, who said Smollett's attorneys have a case.
There's a legitimate argument here, a legitimate legal argument here, based upon the fact that acts were taken against him that put him in jeopardy. He paid a fine, continued with his community service, and he didn't violate the terms of the agreement, which is typically required when you try to get rid of the agreement and say, hey, listen, we're going to start from scratch because you didn't behave yourself. Well, he did behave himself. He did his community service. He paid the fine, and the system decided, well, that wasn't good enough. We want to try him again.
Smollett has never made a statement accepting guilt in this case. It's something that was pointed out in court today. The ruling is expected to take several weeks. Of course, we'll keep our eyes on the case, and we'll continue to bring you the very latest. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Tara.